Good evening, guys. So, good evening, friends. So, for dinner namin ngayon is simple lang. Mustard green with fish, leftover fish, na fried leftover fish. Yan, kamyas, and then tanglad, and then onion. Yun lang, guys, sa sinigang.